What if you were buried, but not actually dead? In the 1800s, doctors sometimes struggled to confirm death.
So inventors created something unusual, the safety coffin. If the buried person woke up, they could move their hand and ring a bell above the grave. Some cemeteries even installed bells and air tubes just in case. Historians debate how often these devices were actually used. The safety coffin shows just how real the fear of premature burial once was. If you want more strange inventions from history, subscribe, because the past was stranger than fiction.